somewhere in America right now, a block of real cheddar is being turned into powder. Kraft has been doing it since 1937. Real cheddar blocks go in, get cooked down into liquid, evoking a deep sense of heritage. In a bag. The cheese is then blasted through spray-dry towers stories tall. The heat evaporates every drop moisture in seconds. Races. 1 million boxes leave American factories every single day. Each one carries powder engineered to dissolve, instantly stick to pasta, and in the next 8 minutes you will see every step from the cheddar block to the sealed box, creating an irresistible transition into the manufacturing journey ahead.
It all starts here, on family farms, in America's dairy heartland.
Milk from pasture-raised cows is collected daily and transported to regional cheese plants, illustrating the efficient chain of custody from udder to tanker. Every drop is temperature-checked and tested before it ever becomes cheddar, reinforcing the theme of purity and precision from the very start of the process.
Within hours, the milk arrives at the cheese-making facility, offering a scenic cinematic bridge between the farm and the factory.
Cultures and rennet transform the milk-cutting curds from whey in a moment that reveals the ancient food science still alive inside modern machinery. Curds are pressed into dense 40-pound blocks of young cheddar, capturing the moment raw material finally takes a recognizable solid shape.
The blocks are aged for months to develop the sharp, familiar bite Kraft demands. Only blocks that meet strict flavor and texture profiles make the cut, emphasizing the craftsmanship that guards quality at every gate.
The cheddar is carefully loaded onto temperature-controlled trucks, maintaining the vital cold chain as it heads to the Kraft factory.
Across miles of highway, the cheese arrives within 48 hours, conveying the seamless logistical backbone that connects the cheese plant to the iconic blue box.
At the factory, the real transformation begins.
From the truck to the line in minutes, zero time wasted, marking the exact bridge between raw material origin and the start of manufacturing.
Every block is unwrapped by hand. No automation can match the care.
It is checked for cracks, mold, and exact color, the first of many quality gates, ensuring that no defect ever slips past this point.
High-torque grinders tear the blocks into a coarse, crumbly shred.
The shred is sized uniformly, and every piece must be small enough to melt instantly, marking the moment the solid block transforms into a loose particulate.
Refinance. Now the shredded cheese enters an emulsification vat, and water and food-grade salts create a pumpable slurry.
The mixture is heated to 165, pasteurizing while blending into a silky emulsion. Temperature and viscosity are live monitored. No two batches are left unguarded, emphasizing the critical human oversight. The emulsion is pumped 5 stories up, straight to the spray dryer atomizer, infusing the journey upward with latent energy.
This is where the magic happens. A 100-foot spray-dry tower evoking awe at the engineering cathedral built solely to turn liquid cheese into powder.
The slurry hits a 15,000 RPM disc, shattering into millions of micro droplets, capturing the violent yet beautiful dispersion that is the heart of the entire process. At 400 degrees Fahrenheit, moisture evaporates in a split second, leaving behind pure dry cheese solids, giving the viewer a privileged look at the exact moment of powder birth.
Centrifugal cyclones separate the powder from the hot air. A golden snowfall begins, highlighting the efficient
Look at that color, a metallic gold unique to Kraft. No artificial dyes can replicate this depth. The powder is hand-sifted, and the final safeguard against any lumps that would ruin the melt. Whey for creaminess, salt for bite, and a whisper of annatto are blended in. The formula has been guarded for 80 years.
Every batch undergoes a dissolution test. It must liquefy within seconds, just like it will in your pot.
The powder is now fed into high-speed packaging. Pouches are born in a continuous ribbon.
To the gram, each pouch gets exactly the right amount, audited in real time, guaranteeing the same perfect cheese-to-pasta ratio in every single box.
Airtight sealing locks in the powder potency. No clumping ever.
Dried elbow macaroni, a perfect shape for capturing sauce, joins the assembly, and the viewer sees the two essential components coming together on
The unmistakable blue box is born, holding dinner for a family.
Every box is stamped with a traceable code, and if something is off, they can pinpoint the exact minute it was made.
At full speed, this line alone produces 300 boxes a minute, 24 hours a day.
Random pulls happen every hour to ensure what is inside matches the promise at outside.
Robotic palletizers stack cases destined for every corner of the country.
Shrink, wrapped tight, and the load is ready for the warehouse and the world.
Linked. Even as the country sleeps, the factory hums. Golden powder never stops falling.
By dawn, millions of boxes are on the move, and the viewer witnesses the critical bridge from factory floor to the open road.
Destination grocery shelves, school cafeterias, your pantry.
To the shelf, to the cart, to someone dinner table tonight.
Prudence. In under a minute, it transforms. The engineered powder does its job, creating a sauce that clings to every curve.
This is the payoff comfort engineered to taste identical to the bowl your grandmother made.
No words needed. That expression has been the same since 1937.
From a block of cheddar to a billion bowls, it is the taste of togetherness.
And just like that, it is gone. But the memory lingers.
That iconic gold, engineered from real cheese to stay vibrant until the very last bite.
And it all traces back to this, a simple block of cheddar.
80+ years of one process, refined to perfection, that is the magic inside every box. Inside Kraft, millions of times a day, and the world's most beloved comfort food.
The powder settles. The story never gets old.
Every frame in this video is handcrafted from concept to final edit. A real human guides every step using AI tools. All content is original and follows YouTube 2026 monetization rules.